嗨，好久不见。哦，我最近过得不错，那你呢？Hi, I'm Angel.
I'm Jane.
We are from Want to Learn 想学人。
If you don't know us yet, welcome to follow our Instagram account. We're teaching daily conversation there.
Are you ready to improve your Mandarin conversation?
Let's do it! In this video, we're gonna learn 5 ways to greet with your friends when you haven't seen each other for a while. When you meet your old friends, you'll probably say,
Hi, long time no see. How have you been? Hi, 好久不见。你最近过得如何？你最近过得如何？ Or you can make it shorter and just say 你最近如何？你最近如何？ You also can say 你最近好吗？你最近好吗？
If you wanna use a longer sentence, you can say, 你最近过得怎么样？你最近过得怎么样？ Or if the person is busy recently, you can ask him, 你最近在忙些什么？你最近在忙些什么？
All of them are really common in our daily life conversations. You can use it in our text messages or talk on the phone as well.
And now let's practice all these sentences one more time. One more time! You and Angel will repeat after me. Let's go! 你最近过得如何？
你最近过得如何？
你最近如何？
你最近如何？
你最近好吗？
你最近好吗？
你最近过得怎么样？
你最近过得怎么样？
你最近在忙些什么？
你最近在忙些什么？ So, how can we answer these questions? Let's check it out. 你最近过得如何？
我最近过得不错，那你呢？ Not bad. How about you? 我最近有点忙，那你呢？ I'm busy recently. How about you? 没什么特别的，那你呢？ Nothing special. How about you?
Wow, there was a lot of ways to say how have you been? 你最近如何？ Now I have a question for you. In the comments, please let me know which one of these greetings was new for you.
Thanks for learning Mandarin with us, and we'll see you next time on next Thursday for new lessons on our YouTube channel. Bye for now!
Bye!